Hello, and welcome to AIXPro.in. Today, we are diving into the epic India vs Pakistan showdown. When these teams face off, the world is glued to their screens. Over the years, some Indian cricketers have risen to the occasion, delivering unforgettable performances against Pakistan. Today, we count down the top 5 Indian cricketers who have consistently outperformed Pakistan with their best scores and years. Let's dive in. At number 5, Virender Sehwag. Best score, 309 runs, 2004 Multan Test. Sehwag's aggressive batting style often left Pakistan bowlers clueless. Key moments. His triple century in Multan is one of the greatest test innings by an Indian.
Well, that's gone. That's the first 4 of the innings. Bowling on middle and leg stump. Virender Sehwag is a classy timer of the ball. Oh, that's gone through. Solid edge from Virender Sehwag. Gets him a 4.
Lovely shot, brilliant shot through the covers. That's where he likes a bit of room. Cut away, beautifully played, nicely balanced. 4 runs.
Quicker this time, and has gone across the turf very quickly for a boundary. Cut shot, nice shot. Saklan Mushtaq was
Back to. It's gone away fine, and down to third man for 4. 99 for Virender Sehwag. Not his most convincing stroke of the innings, but 4 nevertheless. Well, there it is with 4 more down to third man, a favourite area for him. In fact, Shepherd's on the blower to see if it isn't 6. Back to. Oh, what a good shot. What a good shot. It brings up his 150.
He gets it. Running hard for the second one. Tremendous innings. Great achievement. He will raise his bat, take his helmet off. Virender Sehwag, 201, 15th Indian to score Test match double 100. Listen.
There we go. That's the shot we've been talking about with this 7-2 field. That'll go away for 4. Just too short. High quality player. High quality shot. Up. There it is. Huge 6. 300. And can you believe it? He got a 100 with a 6. He rammed it over third man. He made his mind up. The audacity to think about just launching one over deep mid on. A brilliant 300. Is a new member in the 300 club, Virender Sehwag.
At number 4, MS Dhoni. Best score, 148 runs, 2005 ODI, Visakhapatnam. Dhoni's explosive batting and calm leadership have always troubled Pakistan. Key moments. His 148 in 2005 announced his arrival on the international stage.
Now Dhoni, and he starts off with a boundary. He's been sent out to up the tempo. It's in the air and quickly into the advertising hoardings. It can be agonizing for bowlers. Once again in the air. And it's got the distance as well. There again. The fielder was up on the leg side. Dhoni has intentionally played that.
50 and a good innings. Very positive mindset and a good attitude when he came out. That's a good cricketing shot. Very good cricketing shot from Dhoni. Goes for the big one. 6. That's more like it.
And at the moment he's going for the ball and is getting some runs for it. There comes the 100. Oh, isn't he happy? Team stands up to applaud the first one for Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
He's looking to go after that, and that's his 6. What a shot.
He goes again. This is another one. Just clearing deep mid-wicket. And up goes Billy. He's doing some exercise today.
At number 3, Rohit Sharma. Best score, 140 runs, 2019 World Cup, Manchester. Rohit has a knack for scoring big against Pakistan, especially in ICC tournaments. Key moments. His 140 in the 2019 World Cup set the tone for India's dominant win.
Oh, that's gone. Up and 6.
This is just poor bowling. Oh, this is brilliant. That's 50. And without taking any undue risks. Oh, good orbit off the pitch. That's going to be 4. It's a little unfair when that happens to the bowler. But that's a great delivery. And a brilliant shot to get that kind of a distance. And he gets a single. Punch the gloves. Mid-pitch. And he's done it on a big stage once again.
At number 2, the run machine, Virat Kohli. Best score, 183 runs, 2012 Asia Cup, Mirpur. Kohli has been a consistent performer against Pakistan, with his 183 being one of the highest ODI scores in India-Pakistan matches. Key moments. His 183 helped India chase down 330 in the Asia Cup.
He's classy. He's informed. Goes from around the wicket, Hafiz.
Because Gambhir has been informed, got 100 in the first game. Kohli off the mark and India off the mark. That could be a bit of a problem for him. Kohli will keep the strike after this singles, 3 for 1. Well, they would have noticed that he likes to play the pull shot, cannot resist the challenge.
Oh, that's gone through. I think he's dropped a chance here, Umar Akmal. I'm not too sure. No, given as a bye. That Apish, that's gone. And they'll go all the way for 4. Izaz Cheema couldn't get around that one.
Conventional seam up, sometimes you can pick it up. It might have been the Dusra. I think it'd be much better for the batsman to play straight. Virat Kohli
Goes back, cuts and cuts well. Short and wide was Saeed Ajmal. Once again a boundary of the last ball. And it's 50 for Virat Kohli. From just 52 balls, a magnificent strike rate, a magnificent innings. He's carrying on with his good form. Goes back, cuts and cuts well.
will get a single and get to 99. Well fielded in the end. It's firmly struck. That's his 100. He's making a habit of this. Once he gets off to a start, he converts those into hundreds. And this one, as always, he will remember for a long, long time. He's played exceptionally well in this innings. The pressure was on India. And Virat Kohli has delivered, but he needs to bat till the end. Yes, he needs to make it a big one. Fantastic effort from the vice.
Beautiful Bangladesh. That's gone past the man at Virat. That's gone past everybody. Beats the man at long on. That's the danger when you have mid-off in position in the ring. Oh, that's beautifully done. That's gone all the way flat and 6. Looking for a Yorker, Umar Gul. And it's classic Virat Kohli who's put him away for a magnificent 6.
What a knock this has been by Virat Kohli.
A lovely piece of timing from Kohli. This time it's a slow one that's put away for a single. Will he come back for the second? This is excellent running from Rohit Sharma. He dived full length. Direct hit would have got him. 16 from the over. 263 for 2. It's a little wide from Habriaz. Not given as a wide. Oh, what a shot. There's deep mid-wicket in place. He's got no chance. Amazing timing from Virat Kohli. He raises the bat once again to his mates in the dugout. It's 150 for Virat Kohli. Pakistan at 6s and 7s. It's Virat Kohli who's won the show.
At number 1. Master Blaster, Sachin Tendulkar. Best score, 98 runs, 2003 World Cup, Centurion. Sachin has a stellar record against Pakistan, especially in World Cups. Key moments. His 98 in the 2003 World Cup is iconic, where he dominated Shoaib Akhtar and co to chase down to 173.
A little bit of swing coming back in towards Sachin Tendulkar. He'll be the key wicket, of course. Tendulkar on his way in spanking fashion. It wasn't all that bad a delivery, but the timing was exquisite.
Well, the Indian flags are out. This is a lovely way to get off the mark. A little bit of width. Didn't cut at that one. It was a back foot push. And importantly, the placement was absolutely spot on. Great timing from the little master. He's away.
He goes after that one, and it's 6. Just using the pace of the bowler. But there was no half measures there from Tendulkar.
Well, what a hit. Shoaib Akhtar fast and furious, allowing the batsman that width, and Sachin Tendulkar has cashed in on it big time. And that's gone away in a flash. That is cricket at its best. Being made to stretch, and really hats off for middling that wide one from Shoaib.
Well, it clearly shows on the surface you may be the fastest bowler in the world, but if you don't get it right against a top player, you'll get tapped. Now, what will be the reply? Superb shot. This is tremendous batting already. A 6 to start off the over, and now a lovely wristy flick to get the boundary.
Well, this is a lovely shot. Working the ball away from middle stump, but he's so good at flicking the deliveries away on the onside. Shoaib Akhtar providing him with that extra bit of opportunity with his pace. All he had to do was to meet the ball with wrists, and the weight went very quickly for a 4. A wonderful start on 16 quickly, Sachin.
As anyone who's still having lunch may as well throw their plates and get into their seats. There will be a counter-attack from the Pakistani bowlers, that's for sure. Oh, great timing. That was just a gentle push. And what an over for India. A masterclass there from Tendulkar. 27 for no loss after 2. Turned away on the onside. This outfield is quick enough. A boundary to end the over. 11 runs coming off it. After 4 overs, India 39 for no loss.
That's out. No, it isn't put down. Oh, how Pakistan might live to rue that. Abdul Razak, great effort. but sometimes those have just got to stay in your hand.
Could see Wasim Akram telling Abdul Razak he should have been on the circle, the edge of the circle. If he was there, that would right down his throat. He tried to reach for it, and this is a surprise to me. You don't see Tendulkar hitting over the top, especially straight down the wicket in the first 15 overs. Didn't get the middle of the bat, went nowhere.
Two skylines in, contrasting starts. Pakistan hadn't lost a wicket till the 10th over. Oh my goodness me. Beautiful.
If he just watches follow through after he's played this shot, you can see he's enjoyed this one immensely. Look at that. That's for the photographers there. Great follow through of the bat again. Just watch it go in the direction of the shot. Full face of the bat, meeting the ball.
.50 in 37 balls. And he's come back for the second, and he'll get 4 more. 6 will be signalled all along the ground. Well played, and thank you, Sachin Tendulkar, for the entertainment.
And that gesture after he got to his 50 just goes to suggest that he's really enjoyed himself. He's got a lot of pleasure. He never does that when he gets to a score of 50. He's got plenty of 50s in one-day international. But just look at the reaction. He gets 2 runs and then looks at the overthrow. 4 more. He's delighted. And then the arms go up. That's how he reacts to 100.
Didn't have time to say arm and a sling. Another exquisite stroke from Tendulkar. 88 for 2.
Now, this is a sight that Indian supporters will not want to see. Sachin Tendulkar on the ground getting some treatment. Maybe just a little bit of cramp problem, perhaps. It is very warm out there in the middle at Supersport Park at Centurion.
It's warm out there, and also when you're playing against Pakistan, the pressure is immense. And under pressure, you tend to sweat a lot.
That's a beautiful shot. That's got past him. And it just might run away from him. It does. It's gaining on the fielder. What exquisite timing.
Well, it's been there all day today from Sachin Tendulkar. Exquisite timing and great placement. He's absolutely outclassed the opposition today, single-handedly. Generated a lot of pace from this shot. There you see that flick, helping the ball go very quickly across. And that boundary also gets him his 12,000 one-day international run. Would you believe it?
Incredible. Average of 40.
Honorable mentions apart from these 5 top players who have performed well against Pakistan. Yuvraj Singh, his all-round performance in the 2011 World Cup semi-final. Kapil Dev, his leadership and performances in the 1980s. Gautam Gambhir, his crucial knocks in ICC tournaments. And interesting facts about India-Pakistan cricket. Sachin Tendulkar has the most runs in India-Pakistan matches. The 2007 T20 World Cup final was the first time India and Pakistan met in a World Cup final. Virat Kohli averages over 50 in ODIs against Pakistan. From Sachin's iconic 98 to Kohli's record-breaking 183, these Indian cricketers have always stepped up against Pakistan. Who's your favorite Indian cricketer against Pakistan? Let us know in the comments. Encourage by like, share, and subscribe for more cricket content.